Guys, welcome to EIKV and this is Vishnu. So in this illustration, TS Incorporated is considering a new plan in Netherlands. The plan will cost 26 million guilders. Incremental cash flow as expected to be 3 million. The guilders per year for the 3 years. First 3 years will be 4 million guilders. For the next it would be 3.5 guilders in the 7th to 9 years and 6 million guilders in year 10 through 19, after which the project will terminate with no salvage value or no residual value. So the present exchange rate is 1.9 guilders per dollar. The required rate of return is on repatriate dollar is 16%. And your required number one, if the exchange rate stays at $1.9, what is the project NPV? And recommended number two, if the guilders appreciate to 1.84 for the year 1 to 3 years, to 1.78 for 4 to 6 years, and 1.72 for 7 to 9 years, and to 1.65 for the 10th year, 10 to 19 years. What happens to the NPV? So guys, here there is a question containing the export pricing. Here some of the detail has been given and they have required us to compute the NPV if the exchange rate is constant of 1.9, and if there is any change in respective year, what will be the changes in NPV. So going ahead with the solution, net present value statement under fixed exchange rate of 1.9. So I have made a table containing 6 columns, particulars and years. Years it would be at the beginning it would be 0, then 1 to 3, 4 to 6, 7 to 9 and 9 to 10 years. So guilders cash inflow, it would be cash flow in guilders, it would be negative 26 for first year. So first we need to invest 26 million, right? Yes, from the first in the beginning or the end of the first year to third year it would be 3 million, and 4 to 6 it will be 4, and 7 to 9 it would be 5, and 9 to 10 it will be 6. And then we have exchange rate of 1.9. So when we divide 26, that is a cash inflow, divided by 1.9, we will get the cash inflow or cash flow of dollars. So we need to divide every cash inflow and outflow with 1.9 to get the amount in dollars. After computing that, we need to multiply the same with the discounting factor of 16%. So at the beginning of the year it would be 1, and for 1 to 3 years we need to take the sum total of 3 years, that is 1 divided by 1.16 for 3 years, and we need to take, so the exchange rate will be 2.46, and for 4 to 6 it will be 1.43, and then 7 to 9 it would be 0.92, and 9 to 10 it would be 1.27. So when we multiply, we will get the discounting cash flow, and after that you can take the sum total of the entire value and you will get the net present value as negative $0.6745 millions. So recommended, since the NPV is negative, this project should not be accepted. Right? Now we are going ahead with the computation of net present value in case of variable exchange ratio or exchange rate. So in the same way, I have made a table containing 6 columns, year and etc. And now here there is only one change, that the exchange rate will be changed as per given the details given in the question. So such exchange rate will be taken from the question and just divide, and the rest of the things which you have done in the first table should be done over here. So after computing that, we need to multiply the discounting factor, and when we take the total, we will get a positive net present value of 0.5 million. So in this scenario, if there is changes in exchange ratio, then it is pretty much acceptable since we get a positive NPV. Therefore, we can go ahead with the implementation or accept the proposal of the project. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you are clear with this example. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe.